The Create in India challenge is heating up as participants across various contests gear up for the much anticipated WAVE Summit. Celebrating innovation, creativity, collaboration, music production and live performances, Resonate, the EDM challenge, has now announced its top 10 finalists.
Resonate, the EDM challenge, organized by the Indian music industry in collaboration with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, aims to reinforce India's position as a global hub for electronic music, fusion sounds and DJing talent. The preliminary round was judged by industry professionals from the Law Stories Academy, India's leading music production and DJ training institute.
This is a really great initiative by IMI, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, the WAVE Summit. I think it's going to open a lot of doors for electronic music as a genre in India. Now with government being involved pushing this genre, I think there will be a lot more opportunities, and in terms of music production also for electronic music producers, and in terms of concerts also, now how the market is growing in India, it's going to be like great, and we hope that we get to see more and more of electronic music artists coming to India now.
The challenge was open to artists, composers, musicians and performers from around the world with prior experience in creating and producing EDM, and is seen as a launch pad for talent. Prayag Mehta notes that the WAVE Summit will provide a commercial and creative platform for winners and EDM artists to shine and grow. The top 10 shortlisted participants include Shrikant Vemula and Mayank Vidhani from Mumbai, Kshitij Godwe from Pune, Aditya Upadhyay from Kumarikata, Assam and Devansh Rastogi from New Delhi. These finalists represent a dynamic spectrum of India's electronic music landscape, from atmospheric ambient styles to high-octane dance tracks. They will now have the opportunity to captivate audiences at the WAVE Summit, set to take place this May. Shama Mishra for DD India.